Water and biodiversity are precious. Holcim aims to be the global leader in innovative and sustainable building solutions and is committed to helping protect the planet's natural resources. We will do that by replenishing the fresh water we use and having a measurable positive biodiversity impact. In Kenya, we have rehabilitated quarry wasteland by introducing plants and animals to thrive in an otherwise inhospitable area. Hala Park is now a flourishing nature reserve. Together, we can build better. Together, we can build progress for people and the planet.